Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the rating bar in Kotlin Android. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have the rating bar. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. And this is the rating bar. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, when the rating bar is clicked, we get the rating value, and show it in the toast. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a rating bar in Kotlin Android. Thank you.